guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a pretty big nail haul to show you guys, so I'm gonna try to get through everything. So if you guys want to see what I got, keep on watching. Okay guys, so if you are not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscription button down below, and while you're at it, don't forget to hit the notification bell button so you're notified every time I upload new videos. Otherwise you probably won't get notifications, just the way YouTube works now. So or if you've been here before and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. So I did go to the Dollar Tree the other day, and I have been collecting little things here and there from the Dollar Tree, and I've just been putting it in here. So if you guys said, I think, which video was it? If you guys saw, I forgot what video it was. There was a video I did. I went to the post office, so at the end of the video I told you guys that I got a random letter in my PO box from a wonderful, beautiful person named DG. She's always commenting down below, so she is an OG subscriber, and she, with all her beautiful heart, decided to send me $20, like an actual $20 bill, because she said she's not good with technology and she wanted to help with my Dollar Tree giveaway. So because of her, I am going to be able to do $3 Dollar Trees giveaway. So I will leave the link down below for the video, so you can go to that video, and in that video's description box you can enter for the Dollar Tree giveaway. So you have a chance to win. You have 3 chances to win, so 3 people will be winning. So don't forget to look in my description box below so you can get the link to the Dollar Tree giveaway video, and you can comment down below there. Go ahead and comment down below Black Lives Matter, because she was so touched that I was spreading the word on the movement, and she decided to, you know, help donate and sponsor $28 of her very own money for the giveaway. So that was so sweet of her. God bless her. God bless you, DG. Thank you so much. So I'm rambling a lot. So I do have a box full of stuff. I already did buy some stuff with the money that she gave me, and I've had a couple of things. Well, this is not it, but I've had a couple of things already. I've been buying a little by little so that we can do the giveaway, and like I said, I'll leave all the giveaway details down below if you guys want to enter the giveaway. And I did go to the where did I go? I went to the local nail supply store in my area, and I did pick up a couple things too, and I also got some stuff on Amazon. So I'm probably not going to show you everything in the Dollar Tree box. I'm going to try to show you most of everything, because there's a lot of them say multiple things, so I'll just try to show you what I can. But these are the items that are going into the Dollar Tree giveaway. I'm going to try to put as much stuff in each person's prize. So first thing I got from the nail supply store was these masks. So I already opened this. This box has 50 of them, and it did last me a good 2 months. And this is what they look like. So they are really good quality. They're really pretty. The color's not bad. At the beginning I didn't like the color, but now I kind of like the color. I think it's a nice neutral color. And yeah, there's 50 in here, and it was $20 at my local nail supply store. And then the next thing I got are these nail clippers from Berkeley. That's the, let me see if you guys can see that. That is the brand, and they look like this. They're really good, and they are straight edge clippers. So this is what helps you get like a good coffin if you guys are looking for some. I might be putting these, because I don't know if you guys have or heard me say this at all, but I am going to be opening an online store soon, but I'm just trying to get things in order and seeing what would go on there, so just keep a lookout on that. Okay, so the next thing is I forgot to open this. I got some cuticle oil, and this is from Amazon, and it just looks like this. I'm trying to see if it'll focus on it. And it is mango scented, and this is how I like to do my cuticle pens. So you guys are interested, those will be on the online store soon. I'm gonna try to get that store up. I don't know when, but I'll keep you guys informed. But yeah, that was from Amazon. And so are these cuticle pens. These cuticle pens are great. You guys see me use them on my videos too. And then I got a box, not a box, but I got a bag full of buffers from the nail supply store. These are actually my favorites and they're in pretty good condition. And then I got these. I actually got a double pack of these. So this is one side, it was like half. They're already somewhere stored for storage because that's where I reached to get them. But I got 2 of these, and these are from Amazon. These are a little bit more on the, I guess, more coarse side. So I do prefer these orange buffers. For the orange ones, I don't remember how many I got, but I think it was like maybe 10 or 12 of them. And these, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there was 20 of these. So there's 10 and 10. And then, let's see, and put this in here. I also got from Amazon these little storage things. So like you can, let me see, I'll get the pink one, it's prettier. But they just look like this. And you could just store it whatever you want in them. I like these. I'll probably be using this for my online store too, to put other things in there, little trinkets maybe, who knows. And for my nail trainer hand, I did read up on the little tips that, but the thing is I broke my nail trainer. There's like a little bolt piece missing and I don't know where it is. So I don't know if I'm just gonna have to buy another one and maybe I'll review it for you guys. But yeah, I got those because I really need to start doing like videos. Like I really want to show you guys like specifically certain designs, 3D art and things like that. Okay, so the next thing we have, I got these gloves from D&D DC. This is what it looks like. The box has, I don't really know how many, but it's a pretty full box. I'm just kind of like shocked that it doesn't say the amount. I don't know why, but I'm guessing it has 50 gloves, so maybe instead of 25. And I did get 2, so I already opened this one today. And they look like this. Ooh, I kind of ripped that, but they look like this. And they fit perfectly. They fit like a glove. Just kidding. I'm trying to be funny there. But yeah, they fit really good. So next we have... Okay, so the next thing we have, I got these Dappen dishes, because I don't know if I told you guys in my live one day, my daughter, I was doing a Bible study and I left my nail room door open and she decided to break my Dappen dishes. She broke 3 of them, so I did get 3 of them. So now that we got all of that out of the way, I'm gonna show you guys the Dollar Tree box that I've just been filling up. So that's a lot of stuff. I don't even know where to get started. Okay, so let's see. I'm just gonna show you what I can. So we got these little things here. The weird thing is, this one has a spray bottle. Like, let me show you. Like, I like to do this for my alcohol and put it in there. And this one doesn't have, well, this one has it, but these 2 don't have it, sadly. So I kind of like that one better, but I guess they're harder to find. And then I got a bunch of these little containers. Don't worry, I didn't snatch them all like the first time I did. And a lot of this stuff, like I choking here. A lot of this stuff, like I said, is gonna go into the giveaway. So I am doing a giveaway for 3 people, and there's this little bag. I love that little bag that's filled up for giveaways, but unfortunately I think I only have 2 left. And I might have to find another one, but the holographic ones are the prettiest ones, and then the other ones are okay, but they're not holographic. And then I have the ones with the white lids, these little containers. These containers are 1 ounce. I feel like it's bigger than an ounce, but yeah, it says 1 ounce. I got glitters, and I got some LA Colors makeup. I got some nail tips. I got these little dispensers. This is all from the Dollar Tree, you guys. This is like for alcohol, acetone, nail polish remover. The cool thing that I found are these little diamonds that you can use for like your pictures. I feel like on camera it doesn't do it justice, but they look really nice in real life. more containers. I got some notebooks for myself because I'm always writing things down. I already used my other green one. It's out there somewhere. I started using it today because yeah, I really write a lot, like my to-do list for the day, or what I need to get done, what videos I need to do, who I need to contact, who I need to email back. So I always use notebooks like a lot. These little tips that I found, some of these things I've already had that I've just been storing away. I found a lot of these brushes. Or where's the other ones? I have a lot of these. Oh, tell me I'm missing more bags. Okay, so I do have 3, so I'm gonna give each giveaway winner one. And I got these for myself, but I might open them and just throw them in for the giveaway winner. I use these for my wax pencils though, so I'm gonna see if I can find more, but these are good for wax pencils. These are my favorite. I got some brushes for nails, like if you want to dust off the stuff. Why isn't it focusing? Focus. There you go. I got some nail glue. I think I got 3, but I might have more than 3. I don't know, but I'm for sure I got 3 for the winners. I got some Wet n Wild, what does it say, clear nail protector, so I guess like a top coat. I got 3 of these too. I don't know where the other ones are, but I did get 3. Here goes another brush for one of the winners. One of these is gonna go for one of the winners. Oh my gosh, it's all like on my table. Look, I'll show you guys. Okay, now maybe you can kind of better see. Okay, I also found these cute little towels. These are gonna be good for like manicures if you want to start doing nails. This is gonna be a great giveaway for beginners. So I'm gonna give each winner one. These are from the Dollar Tree as well, so don't sleep on the Dollar Tree. I tell you guys this all the time, don't sleep on the Dollar Tree. They got like everything for like starting a business. I found pushers, cuticle pushers, and they work really well. These are actually, this says gel polish remover tool, but you can use them for pushers, just be a little more gentle. They're a little bit sharp. And these were great to remove acrylic nails when you're doing soak offs as well. I think those are my favorite out of everything I use. Glitter. What else? Glitters. Oh, one of the glitter stuff. Okay, there. Glitters. I'm gonna use this for myself. I don't want to send any like liquid stuff like that through the mail, so I did get this for myself. I got more of these things, more of these containers. Somebody will probably get one of these pedicure things. These are great. I keep one in my bathroom always. Okay, what else? I got some clippers in here. Another cuticle pusher or soak off tool. Another clipper. Oh, there's a dotting tool I'm gonna give somebody that I never use because I already have them. I think I got this one time for just a haul, but this is probably gonna be in somebody's giveaway prize. I love doing these Dollar Tree giveaways. They're so fun. More containers. I'll probably use this one though. Because I've been wanting to do a design with these to see if they work really well. So I'll probably keep that. I did buy this for myself, but I never used it. So I'll give this to somebody in my giveaway. This is a nail brush. This is a makeup brush cleaner, so you can clean your brushes with. Buffer and a buffer. There's a lot of stuff in here. Another polish, a top coat. I got this one for myself though. This is for my manicure bowl. So I might use this and those, because I got 2 of these. I'll give one person this, but because I only found 2 and I really wanted to see if this is good for like manicures. It just says acrylic gems, decorative accents. And then what else did I get? I think this is the last thing, but this is really cool. I did find this. I'm gonna keep this one for myself. I'm gonna see if I can find more so I can do another giveaway. But this is just a scrap tilty knife set, a Crafter's Square brand, and it says it has 6 assorted blades. So this is, I don't know how safe this is, but I'm gonna try it on myself first before I use it on anybody. But it's kind of like to carve out, like, you know, have you seen those videos where they carve out the acrylic and they like do diagonal like designs and stuff like that? That's what this looks like. So I'll try to give you a closer look. But yeah, guys, that is the last thing. There is so much stuff, as you guys can see. Look at my table. That is crazy. This was a fun video to do. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you guys are excited to go look for at the Dollar Tree in the comments down below. It's so fun to go and find new things. They always have something different. Sometimes I find the same stuff, sometimes it's the same old thing from every other store. Sometimes I find the craziest like things where I'll be like, whoa, I didn't know they had this. Like in the beginning of my journey, I would go and buy these. I was like, I can't believe they have that there. They were a little bigger back then though, like a couple years ago. And then they started using these and I couldn't believe it. Like, it's amazing. They have buffers, files, everything. So if you guys like this video, let me know what you guys thought. Don't forget to give me a like. It really helps out my videos, and don't forget to subscribe so you guys can come back and join me on these fun little tours that I get. Sometimes I go inside the Dollar Tree and stuff like that. Sometimes I just haul the stuff that I got. So thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, have a good one, guys. Bye bye.